Hi guys, now we are going to discuss a problem sell up to 2 given in the Codechef starter 222 contest. So the problem states that we will be given an array which represents the selling prices of n watches, and the question also states that on each day we will be provided a watch for free, and it's our choice to sell a watch on the current day or someday in the future. And while selling the watches, the only rule is that we can sell at most 2 watches on a single day. Let's take an example to understand this properly. Let's say the prices are P and the given prices are 2, 7, 3 and 5. We know that we'll get a watch on each day, right? Let's represent that by a star. And now our goal is to arrange these watches in a particular way such that our total profit that we get when we sell these watches on a particular day is maximized. Let's say if I sell the first watch and sell it on the second day, and if I sell the third watch and sell it on the fourth day, the total profit that I get is profit is equal to twice of 7 plus twice of 5, that is 14 plus 10, that is 24. We want to maximize this value as much as possible. For this test case, this is the maximum value. So before thinking of a solution to solve this problem, let's look at the constraints. The constraints say that the maximum value of n can go up to only 100. This is a main key takeaway that is needed to solve this problem. If the constraints are really low, we can try to think of a solution using dynamic programming. Let's try to understand the recursive function that we will write, which then in future we will memorize it. Let's try to understand the transitions that we have on each day. Let's say on day I, we have 3 choices to make. First is we will not sell it, that is no sell, or sell only 1 watch, or sell 2 watches. This condition is only possible when we have more than 2 watches. Watches should be greater than or equal to 2. This condition is only possible when we have watches greater than 2. This condition is always true because we know that on each day we get a watch for free. So this condition will always be satisfied. From this, let's try to build a pseudo function to do the recursive calls. Let's define the function as helper. We require 2 parameters, that is day followed by watches that we currently hold. Let's denote that by W. If day is equal to the last day, we just return 0, right? Turn 0. That's all right. As we know, each day we get an extra watch. Let's increment the watches that we currently hold. Now let's think about the 3 conditions that we have. First condition is skipping that, right? So helper of day plus 1, day plus 1, and watches will be the same. Okay, B is selling 1 watch, day plus 1, watches minus 1, and in this transaction we gain the price of 1 watch, so we get price of day. And for the third condition, that is to sell 2 watches, the condition is if W is greater than or equal to 2, only then we will calculate the third condition. C will be helper of day plus 1, watches minus 2. But in this transaction we gain the price of two watches. Price of day. And in from all these three conditions we return the maximum. Then max of a comma b comma c, and this will be a recursive function. But this is not the optimal way, right? Even though the constraints say n value is less than or equal to 100, this will get you TLE. To stop that from happening, we can memoize this solution. We can apply memoization so that this will be converted to a DB solution. This is the main high level overview on how to solve this problem. I hope you guys understood. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and share this with your friends also so that they'll be able to learn as well. Thank you.